You with TheKhan, and this is my brunch cups. For ingredients, we're going to need about 5 eggs, 1 egg for each cup. We're going to have some grated cheese, I like to use Gouda, half a chopped onion, and some crushed garlic. Bread of your choice, you are the K-Fed of your choice of bread. Some baked beans, oregano, crushed chilies, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and Italian herbs. Remove the crust from the bread. Once you remove the crust, use a rolling pin and flatten it down until you're left with something that looks somewhat like this.
Paperish.
Okay, so in a cupcake or muffin tray, I need you to spray your choice of non-stick spray, cooking spray, into the little holes. Make sure to cover those holes generously. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to place that bread, each slice, into each pocket. Make sure not to break it. What I did was I added the onion, garlics with Italian herbs, added some grated cheese, and then cayenne pepper on top. Break an egg in each cup. Try not to break the eggs. I know I made a mistake in the first one, but try if you can. Try to crack an egg in each of them. Next, we're going to add some oregano. Grate some final layer of cheese. Cast the cheese. We're going to grate some layer of cheese on the end and sprinkle it with some salt. Okay, so we're going to pop it into a 180-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to have a saucepan, put a dash of extra virgin olive oil in, add your remaining onions, add some crushed garlic. Warning, the next ingredient is highly volatile and will lead to a massive methane gas buildup. Please consume with extreme caution. So what we're going to be adding is the beans. A nice can of cool baked beans and tomato sauce. Add your smoked paprika to that, then add a sprinkle of mixed herbs. Stir to perfection, and you're done. We're going to pop out that E-cups out of the oven, and we're ready to plate. That's how you make my brunch E-cups.